Now let's go ahead, add a weapon that can fire at our aliens. So to start, we're going to need a new sprite type. So let's add a sprite type for the weapon that we're going to fire. And as before, let's give it a different image. So here's our laser firing weapon, our cannon. And let's add it onto the screen. So here is our sprite. And our cannon is going to do the same kind of motion that our aliens do. It just goes left and right, back and forth on the screen. So we're going to need something to keep track of the weapon speed. And we'll set that to 100 and make sure that gets initialized every time the canvas loads. And now under motion, let's make sure that its speed starts out at the value we've set. So our aliens move at 25 pixels. Our weapon speed is 100. Okay. So let's see what this gets us. All right, so now it moves across, but then it stops when it hits the edge. Oh, and it looks like here, I need to set that to 100 so that it's consistent. All right, so now we want, just like our aliens, we want it to start moving back in the opposite direction when it hits the edge. The difference is we just don't want it to change its height in any way. So when the weapon collides with any edge, we're going to set the weapon speed to be the opposite of what it was. And here, we're going to use this sprite value. So this argument from the event, this is the sprite that collided with the wall. So we're going to set its X speed to this weapon speed that we just flipped, that we've made set to the opposite side. So now if I run this, it moves back and forth, bouncing off the edges.